Alright guys, check this out. So I'm going to be doing a quick review of this Stoney Creek Market fully cooked coconut chicken. I'm going to make some rice with this and I'm going to put it in the coconut chicken, and it's ready in 6 minutes. I'm going to use the Instant Pot to make this because there's a saute function. I'll just cook it all together. So there's the ingredients. If you guys want to see this, pause the video. And yeah, let's open this up. Okay, so there's 2 bags in the pouch, and you can see it looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna put this on top of my rice. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be back. I'm gonna cook it up. All right, guys. Here's the curry chicken all done. So I put it with my raspberry rice. So let's do a quick taste test to see if it's spicy or not. It does have a strong, spicy curry aroma to it. So let me check this out. Okay, so it's not overly spicy. There is a kick to it, but not spicy. But maybe if you keep eating more and more of it, it could be a little bit spicy. But it's actually pretty subtle, not too bad at the moment that I've tasted it. Let me try the chicken here. Take a small piece of chicken. Okay. The chicken's kind of dry. It's not horribly dry, but it's overcooked for sure. It tastes like your canned chicken. Sort of doesn't have a strong curry aroma to it, but it's not bad. Definitely check out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe channel.